Hello children, I am Mansi teacher. How are you all? I would like to welcome you to second standard. I know you all are excited. So let's begin with the first English lesson, Yash and Moti from Balbharti book. I hope you must have received your textbooks. So open, if you have Balbharti book, then open page number 7. But if you don't have Balbharti book, no problem. Refer the text from your screen. So we will first begin with the difficult words. Difficult words. First one, happy, happy. Enjoying or feeling of pleasure. When something nice has happened to you, you become happy. sobbed, sobbed. A silent cry. cried, cried. To shed tears and cry loudly. wagging, wagging. The action of something that is moving. Have you seen a dog moving his tail? When he is happy, that is called wagging. nibble, nibble. A small and quick bite taken with your front teeth. condition, condition. The state or quality of being. My car is in good condition. agree, agree. Of the same opinion. म्हणजे एकमत असणे. front, front. yard, yard. A yard to the front of a house. Yard म्हणजे अंगण, पुढचं अंगण. bark, bark. Sound made by a dog. A dog barks. followed, followed. म्हणजे पाठीमागे जाणे. A dog followed us home. picked means to take up. Rohan picked up his book. bought, bought. This is the past tense of buy. पास्ट टेन्स म्हणजे घडून गेलेल्या गोष्टीबद्दल आपण जेव्हा बोलतो तेव्हा आपण पास्ट टेन्स वापरतो. बॉट मीन्स टू बाय ऑर टू परचेस. morning, मॉर्निंग म्हणजे सकाळ. started, started. The beginning of an activity. Just like today, we have started our new lesson. Yash, the name of a boy from this story. Moti, the name of a pet dog of Yash. So today we are learning the story of Yash and Moti. everywhere, म्हणजे सगळीकडे. My dog goes everywhere with me. carried, to lift something and take it to another place. For example, a full cup must be carried steadily. Next, woke. This is the past tense of wake. म्हणजे woke म्हणजे उठलेला. hole, a hollow place, a pit, a house of rat, म्हणजे उंदराचं बीळ. These are some words from the story. Learn these words and recite it. Now we will start our story Yash and Moti. Are you excited to know what happens next to Yash and Moti? Let's start. 1.4 Story Time. Yash and Moti. Listen and repeat. Yash was happy. His mother bought him new shoes. He woke up early in the morning. He went out to look at his new shoes. "Oh no," he cried. "There is only one shoe here. Where is my other shoe?" He looked everywhere. He couldn't find it. He sat outside on a step and sobbed. Just then Moti came and started wagging his tail. He barked. "Bow, wow." Yash looked at Moti. "Moti, have you seen my shoe?" "Bow, wow," Moti barked and ran to a tree in the front yard. Yash followed Moti. There was a hole under the tree. Yash saw his shoe in the hole. A big fat rat had carried it there. Yash picked it up. "Thank God," he said. "The rat has not nibbled my shoe. It is in good condition." "Bow, wow," Moti agreed. "Thank you, Moti," said Yash. Did you like this story? This is a story about Yash and Moti and their friendship. Yash was happy because he got new shoes. But when he woke up in the morning, he found that his one shoe was missing. So he became sad and sat out of his house. Then Moti came and saw him crying. He was worried about his friend and helped him. Moti was very smart and helped Yash to find his shoe, which was carried by a big fat rat. The rat had kept the shoe in a hole under the tree. Yash was happy because he got his shoe back in good condition. Then he thanked Moti. So this was the story. What did we learn? We learned that pets are always man's best friend. They are loyal and love their master. They are always ready to help us. We should never trouble them and take care of them. So that's all for today. We will continue this lesson tomorrow. So read the story and learn the words again and again. Till then, bye bye.